Hello guys, are you willing to take $10 or $20 capital to $200 today? Then you need to watch this video to the end so that you will know how to go about this, because we will be using a simple setup which I will be explaining to you in this video, and you're going to love every bit about it. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunity or the strategy shared in my videos. Do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect your trading skill well before you go fully into it. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, like I said earlier on, we'll be checking out how you can push up your small trading capital into $200. Okay, so in case you don't know, it is easier to do this using a big capital, but if you're not having the big capital, you can also use a small capital. It's all about you having a working trading strategy. Okay, here is a simple setup that is on the chart. It is a custom made indicator, but it makes it very easy for us to do our analysis, and we're going to be analyzing with it so that you guys will understand how it works. Okay, first of all, for you to trade any of these assets, you should be able to recognize the trend of the market. That's the first thing that should come to your mind whenever you are opening up your charts. Okay, next thing is to recognize your support and your resistance zone. Around here is the support region, here is another support region, and at the top right here is the resistance zone. Okay, so these are some of the things that you should take note of. Okay, and of course this will also help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Now let's combine all these together and see how we can make the milk the market successfully. And finally guys, before we go fully into that, you should be able to manage your trading activities very well. That part is very important. Okay, so now let's quickly go straight into what we have right here. This is boom 1000, and before I analyze this chart, first of all, I want you to know that when you have a yellow flag like this, you can see the yellow flag, it shows that the market is on uptrend. Okay, at this point, and of course you can now check if it is coming from a support zone or a major resistance zone. You can see this is coming from a major support zone, so which means that it's most likely for it to buy around there. So if you place your order around there, you would have milked the market till the very moment, okay, till it goes to the resistance zone. Okay, so that will have given you a lot of profit because the market is on uptrend within this region, and we only had this buy signal showing around here. Okay, that's the only signal we had throughout the trend. Okay, and of course at the top right here, the market played around there for a while because it's about to change the character or the movement of the market, and of course we had a sell signal around there. And why should we follow this sell signal? Check it out. We had a red flag around there, which signifies that the market is going back on downtrend. You can see it kept on selling right from there till this very moment. So that is the beauty of this particular trading tool. Okay, so with that being explained, now let's see how the market is going on at the moment. Okay, so just the way we have seen it, this started a downtrend right from here, played around there for a while, but broke out from this trade, support zone around there to sell till this very moment. So right now the market is at this point trying to break out from this support zone. Once it breaks out from there, then definitely we expect it to get to this region. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, you will have to move up to our higher time frame to check out the next support zone. Okay, so that is very important. But if it does not break out from here, then it will go back on buy trend. You should take note of that. Okay, so watch out for that. Okay, now let's check out the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. So guys, this is boom 500, this is boom 500. Okay, just like we are seeing these guys, I said it earlier on that the first thing you should check out is the trend of the market. And why I love this simple setup, simple custom made indicator, is that just looking at the chart alone you already know the trend of the market. Because we are seeing more of yellows than red, it means that the market is on uptrend. So it started from this support zone and it kept on buying and buying, even though it has got into this resistance zone, which is a major resistance zone. But this is still more of an uptrend, because once it breaks out above this resistance zone it will keep on buying. But if it does not, then we are most likely to experience a sell trend. So first of all, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, you will have to check out the higher time frame, probably 15 or 30-minute time frame, to know the next resistance zone. But if it does not, because it has tried it like 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, this is the fourth time it is trying it, and if it does not break out from there, then it gets to sell till it gets to this region. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to this particular region. Okay, and of course guys, if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to here. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely it will get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. I want you to understand this. These are some specific highlighted areas that you guys can look into and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's check out the next asset, which is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000, and looking at the chart alone, that is the beauty of the trading tool. You should know that the market is more of an uptrend right from this support zone till this very moment where this resistance zone, was unable to, where the market could not break the resistance zone. Okay, so that is very, very important. So right from there we started a sell trend. Okay, and of course it got to this support zone, finds it difficult to break out below it, and it started pulling back right from there. Okay, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, may likely buy till it gets to this particular region. Okay, and if it breaks out above that, it will get here to here. Okay, but if it does not break out above this, then it will start selling again, because it has started the downtrend already, just that it could not break out below this support zone. Okay, so it will sell. We are most likely to get our first TP around here if it sells. Okay, and of course second one, and the third one should still be this. Okay, and if it breaks out below this, then it may likely get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so take note of all these and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, okay guys, I decided to come up with this because I noticed that this usually give us more positive results whenever we do this. So do not joke with it, and these are some highlighted areas that you're going to make some good profits with at the end of the day. So I wouldn't like you to joke with this particular analysis. Okay, so this is crash 500. This was an uptrend before, but later on came back from this resistance zone, and so till it got a pullback, came back again, and of course pulling back, and if it does not break out above this, guys, it's going to sell. It's going to sell. Okay, if it does not break out above this, then it's still going to sell and may likely want to break out below this support zone. Okay, may likely want to break out below this support zone. So if it does not break out above the resistance zone, then definitely it means that it's only had a pullback. Okay, it's only had a major pullback, because we've been experiencing something like this right from here. right from here. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so if it's unable to break, if it breaks out above this trend line, then it will buy till it gets to this horizontal line, and if it does not break out above this horizontal line, then it's going to sell back, and of course going to sell for a very long time till it gets to this region. Okay, so we should take note of that and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, so the last asset is going to be that. Okay, so it's going to be this. Okay, so that is all we have for you guys today. That is all we have for you guys today. So all you just need to do is just for you to take note of all the identified areas and try to apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.